As you enter the area where you'd like to park, press the automatic park assist button located on the left-hand side of the console. You have to be in drive with the speed under 30 kilometers and be driving a distance of half a metre to 1.5 metres from the parked vehicle. The car will then scan for a suitable size car park using its sensors. You can tell by looking at the driver information display in front of you that it's looking for parallel parks because the automatic park assist button on the console has been pressed once. Pressing it again for 2 seconds will instruct the car to look for perpendicular parks. Notice after you've done that, the cars on the driver information display have switched around 90 degrees. The other thing you'll notice is that the car is looking for car parks on the left-hand side only. It defaults to that when we start the automatic park assist feature. But if you're wanting to look for parks on the right-hand side, perhaps you're on a one-way street or in a car park, simply put your right-hand indicator on. A quick look at the driver information display shows that it's now looking for a car park on the right-hand side. As you continue along below 30 kilometers per hour, you're still looking for a park on the left and listening out for a long tone, which will be the car letting you know that it's found a suitable park. Okay, there's the tone telling you it's found a park. Come to a stop, careful to check your mirrors. Shift into reverse and take your hands off the steering wheel. Ease your foot off the brake and, if necessary, add some gentle pressure to the accelerator. You can hear the park sensors letting you know how close you are to other cars or obstacles you're parking near. When you hear the longer tone, that's the car telling you to stop and change from reverse to forward or forward to reverse until the parking process is complete. While the system is active, the audible tones allow you to be looking outside where the car is heading and you can be aware of potential hazards. If the driver attempts to steer the car at this point, it disengages the system and returns all control to the driver. The system will also disengage if you accelerate beyond 8 kilometers per hour while it's active. When the car is parked successfully, you'll hear the long tone and you'll see a stop sign indicated on the driver information display. A couple of things to know about the system. If you go above 30 kilometers per hour for more than 5 seconds while you're looking for a park, you'll hear a tone telling you the system has switched itself off and you'll have to press the automatic park assist button on the console again when you slow down below 30 to continue looking for a suitable park. If you disengage the system while it's operating by using the steering wheel, the entire process has to be started from the beginning, including the initial drive past the car park, allowing the system to scan it. The car looks for parallel parks that are a minimum of the length of the car plus 1.1 metres long. With perpendicular car parks, it looks for spaces that are a minimum of the vehicle width plus 1 metre. Remember to always follow the road rules and use your indicators to let other road users be aware of what you're doing. The safe operation of the system and the car is ultimately the responsibility of the driver. Amazing technology.